Vitamins. I have them next to my bed so I don't forget to take them, and I'm like a big kid so I need them to eat them, obviously. Good morning, guys. I just put on my earrings, brushed my teeth, and I'm about to go film right now. You're gonna be following me around the entire day. This is a day in my life. This is not sponsored, by the way. Let's move this before people start getting the wrong idea. To remember to look at that little dot over there to be looking in your eyes. I did a poll on Instagram stories to see what a day in my life is like. A lot of you guys wanted to see a vlog of my day. So I'm gonna have you guys follow me around today. I'm gonna go and change and let's go film this YouTube video. This is my messy closet. I cleaned out a bunch of stuff already. I'm gonna wear this top for the video. I'm wearing this to the airport today, so I already have that. I have my bag kind of packed and ready to go after I film this video. Good morning. I'm about to start filming. I have my setup here in my living room. My Chick-fil-A's are right there. I actually have never tried the Chick-fil-A burrito and I am so excited to try it. I'm gonna make some coffee though because Caesar got me an orange juice, but I'm gonna go make a coffee and we have bomb coffee here. So I'm gonna show you guys my coffee maker. After my coffee, then I'm gonna start filming. I love this coffee maker. It's my holy grail. It's like being at Starbucks. I just finished filming the video. I'm done getting ready. Now I'm just gonna clean up my countertop because it is dirty and I cannot get out of the house without, where's the thing? I cannot get out of the house with feeling like there's dirt in my house. Like when I come back, it gives me so much anxiety. Come clean with me. I'm gonna take a little Instagram photo and then I will be right back. All right, so I'm all packed up, grabbed this trench coat that I'm gonna wear because I know it's cold in New York right now and it has pockets too. Anything with pockets when I'm traveling is my go-to. I wanted to show you guys, oh my God, hi. Hello. While I'm waiting for Caesar to pick me up, I wanted to show you guys my planner. This is my Bible. So this is my planner. It looks like a crazy mess, but I have the week planned of what I'm doing, where I'm going, who I'm meeting in New York. And then when I come back, the meetings that I have, some things I have to turn in, and then there's IMATs and some things I have to turn in on Sunday. Whoa. And then on Sunday at night, I'll plan for the next week. And then I have Jaden starting football. Crazy day, but I love it. Like, this is my life. This is what I manifested into my life. At the office, just got in. You guys, this is Caesar. I'm gonna go upstairs. I have to meet with Veronica. And then me and Karina are headed out. So this is actually a makeup room where I have all the makeup, but it's cool because it's hidden behind these really nice cabinets, so you can't really tell. So we also use this as like a conference room, which is cool. And then over here is Ed's office. And then over here, we're in the middle.
Start putting some stuff up. We still gotta put more stuff. Let's do it.
We're in the middle of getting these huge campaign photos made so that we can put them on the walls. Excited for that. Look at this one. So cute. Okay, so let's go in here. This is product development room. We're still decorating this place. We're decorating while we're working at the same time. So it's a slow process, but we're getting there. We actually got that photo, that was Latte 1. And then this is a photo of Celestial Storm. I love that photo. We're getting a sign made. It's a neon light up sign. It says Dominique Cosmetics and it's going right here. Can't wait for that. Actually, I have a lemon tree outside. Let me show you guys. Real live lemons. Whoa, we should start a little lemon farm. We are taking all of these things on our PR. We're going to New York for some PR meetings and we're taking all of these palettes here with us. The first latte, the latte 2, so you can compare them, and also some of the PR boxes. So I'm gonna pack that up and then we're gonna get going.
Okay, so 9:30 we're meeting with Kelly in the hotel lobby, and then at 10:30 you're meeting with Allure, and then 11:15 we're going to Refinery 29. So that's really close together, so that's gonna be a really tight squeeze for you. And then we have a quick lunch break, so you're lucky you get to eat. But first, coffee. Oh, I think you might have used this one already.
Desperate times.
Desperate measures.
Hotel room right now. I already put everything away. I have my outfit ready. I'm just going over my planner today and making sure that I hit everything that I needed to do. It's 2 in the morning here in New York. I am so sleepy right now. I'm gonna get some beauty rest for tomorrow morning's meetings because I'm tired. So we just finished our first meeting. Our second is Refinery 29.
You can't really do behind the scenes in this one. There's so many mirrors.
All right, you guys, I just finished my last PR meeting. It went really well. I'm really excited to see what they're gonna do with the launch, and that is it. That is all for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed following me around today. If you want to follow more of my life, this is like a traveling day, so it's like a unique situation where I'm actually traveling. But if you want to follow more of my other days in my life, let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I rarely do these at all on my channel, but I feel like there's so much going on in my life that I'd like to share because it's definitely new and it's definitely like a journey for me, and I'd like to take you guys along with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and spending the day with me, and that's it. I love you guys. Have a great day, and don't forget that you are beautiful. And my nose is running. You can't see it, so I probably shouldn't even say anything. But anyways, I love you guys. Have a great day. You are beautiful. Don't forget that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.